Hi, I'm Gareth Evans from Vitamix, and this is our Vitamix Classic 5200. Now, this will make you the smoothest smoothies. It will make you a hot soup in minutes, and it will make you a delicious frozen dessert. I'm going to show you how. Some natural yogurt, just to cover those blades. Frozen strawberries, in they go. We're going to use our tamper to push these strawberries onto that blade and make our frozen dessert. Okay, and there we have our frozen dessert. Ready to eat, and have a look inside this container. We have those perfectly formed 4 mounds that give you that lovely Vitamix vortex. And with my spoon, I'll be able to show you how smooth this is. Just thick, creamy, delicious frozen dessert. Your classic Vitamix 5200 will last you for years and years making these wonderful recipes.